Early July will see the release of Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. In line with other leaks, a fresh story from the South Korean tabloid The Jungang claims that Samsung will host an in-person event in Fresh York at the beginning of the month. On July 10 of last year, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 were revealed. Therefore, it would be reasonable for their successors to launch on a comparable date. The Z Flip FE and Samsung's Tri-Fold may also be present at the event, according to the latest report. The most recent reported specifications state that the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, 12GB of RAM, and 256 or 512GB of storage will be included in both foldables. Both are anticipated to come pre-installed with Samsung's One UI 8. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have an 8.2-inch primary display and a 6.5-inch cover screen. According to rumors, the Z Fold 7 will also get thinner, measuring 4.5mm when unfolded and 9.5mm when folded. An enhanced 200-megapixel primary camera and a 4,400 mAh battery that can be charged with 25 watts should be included in the phone. According to reports, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 would include a 6.85-inch main display and a bigger 4-inch cover screen. It will still have the Flip 6's 50-megapixel primary and 12-megapixel ultra-wide cameras in addition to a slightly bigger 4174 mAh battery that can be charged at 25 watts. On July 1, 2025, Samsung will hold an in-person event in New York to introduce its upcoming flagship devices, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. The Z Fold Special Edition is a costly item, therefore some rumors suggest a possible price hike, while others say to expect the same pricing strategy as previous year. As of right now, it may go either way. It's important to keep in mind that a leak from late 2023 suggests that Samsung might have to deal with a more expensive chipset in 2025, which might raise the cost of its flagship phones, including the impending Galaxy Z Fold 7. We can still fairly assume that it will cost the same as the Z Fold 6 for the time being. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.